Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video we've got a new build of Windows 11 to look at. This is build 23435 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. There's a couple of interesting new features in this. Unfortunately Microsoft doing the usual A/B testing, so not everybody will get these features and my machine doesn't have them. So here in File Explorer there is a new gallery view, which I can show you what that looks like here. But essentially it's the same as the Photos view, where you can see all your photos. So that when you're browsing File Explorer you can see your pictures, but also it's handy because you can also see it when you use File Explorer, the file picker. So if you can do like opening a file, you can say paint, you can see all your pictures, which looks like this. So I think that's a great idea. Right, some of the other changes, there's some changes to treatment and notifications that would appear here. I haven't got any, but there's different kind of notifications that will be shown. Microsoft are trying different versions of that. You also notice I've got this little pizza icon here. It means I'm previewing the Windows App SDK version of File Explorer. There's no other changes, but it's just reusing the new version of it, so that's identified there. There's a new presence sensor API, which will show it if your device supports that. So the other changes are fixes. They fixed an issue with File Explorer would crash. I've seen that a few times, as in the fix, but I haven't actually had the experience of it crashing. They've fixed some input issues. They fixed some setting crashing issues, which again I haven't seen, and they fixed some live caption issues as well. There are some new known issues in this build. Around the gallery mainly. The gallery may require clicking on twice. Well, I haven't got the gallery, so I can't check that. And there may be issues with refreshing the thumbnails, and OneDrive for Business, Microsoft said it must be hydrated to work properly, which I think means it's synced for it to work correctly, and some file types might not be rendered correctly. And there's also a new issue with live captions, which may crash when you first launch it. So that's it, a quick look at the changes with this build. The gallery feature looks nice. I'm looking forward to trying it when we eventually get it. Thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on thedigitallife.com.